Welcome to Drama News. I'm Angeleyesja reporting to you live. Drama, mix up, pass up, Ray, and Blay. A neighboring community called Gaza. A man called Brother, aka Mod Ed, and Blender, aka Ipisha. Brother was a very quiet person living in the neighboring community. Years go by and something strange started to happen. As Brother would be cursing on the top of his lungs day in, day out, having neighbors wondering what is really going on. He would then be eating something sounding of a woman. Poof, puff, poof. Hey, dirty girl, give me $80,000 with your teeth. Poof! Then another voice sounding of a woman screaming, "Me not pay $80,000 for you. Stop lick me. Why you not let me alone? You can pack up and left ya. Give me money, dirty girl." He continues. Poof! This happens for several hours daily, every day. Having the neighbors thinking that they would go, because some of them really don't like the abuse and a lot of them are very nosy. You know what I'm talking about. So a Rasta man that lived next door decided that he would peep through Brother's window to see what's going on, only to find out that Brother is eating on the wall and have a cat in a cage. I guess that's the woman. Well, the neighbors spread the news that Brother Head is gone. So I think that's how he got the name Modded. And continuing the drama news, another day this happened. Brother, you know, in Jamaica a lot of people have outside toilet that they refer to as latrine and or shithouse. So Brother's shithouse was close to his neighbor Blendisha shithouse. Blendisha one day decided to defecate. Then the same day, Brother said he saw a banana tree growing out of his toilet hole. You know, the same shithouse. He said he saw a banana tree growing out. So he then proceeded to get some big stone and throw at the banana tree to hit it back down or to get rid of it out of his toilet hole. So Brother fling the stone. Blendisha ball out, "Who that a fling Pamela chain?" Brother continued flinging the stone. Poof! Dash! Blendisha came out and looked up at her other neighbor. The other lady said, "Not me." So she looked across and saw Brother with the stones throwing. So she said to Brother, "Why are you throwing stone on my shithouse?" Brother said to her, "Look around here so let me see your face." She said, "Why you want me look around the sofa?" "Yeah, just look, let me see your face. Just look one time, let me see your face around here, so girl." Blendisha said, "You know, so I'm tired of you, boy. I'm going to call the police for you now. Every day I get up with knives in my head, and now I can't even defecate in peace." You know, shit, same thing. Imagine, I can't even shit in peace. Brother said, "Girl, make me tell you something. You see, if you ever did put your head round yourself, I would have dashed some of them big stones in your dirty face in a girl. Imagine it. I see one banana tree grow out of my shit house. And I take two big stones and lick back the banana tree down in the hole. And you gonna tell me, say you gonna call police. Hey girl, make me ask you something. Is my shit house belongs to you or it belongs to me?" Me said, "Dirty girl, is my shit house belongs to you or it belongs to me?" Imagine it. I can't imagine it now. Ipisha then run into our house looking through the window and laughing. Why that boy? You know, to say you're not a head, you're not a brain, something wrong with you. The other neighbor said, don't pay the boy any mind. Let us try and find some doctor for him or something. Well, I think brother lose a screw, and I don't even know what he was smoking on when he saw that banana tree. It is very strange. I tell you, there's a lot of mix up, passive, rare, blah blah. Lord have mercy, Percy. Make sure to tune in to Angeleyesja or MSE TV Network. Make sure you subscribe. MSC TV Network and Angeleyesja. One love.